conditions also, climate, political climate also in Goa is being vitiated. Polarization जावंक कमी गोंय आदले आसले पिसफूल गोवा म्हणून आसले ते पिसफूल गोवा उरोंक ना. म्हणजे हांव सांगता काल मध्य प्रदेश जबलपूर हिंदूर some fringe elements have attacked the Catholic priest. And this is happening in Goa, outside Goa. आता ते गोंयांक जावपाक लागले कशें दिसता म्हाका आनी the climate is being created to polarize the people of Goa. तुका पळोवंक 2-3 वीक आदीं तो मुतालिक येयलो गोंयांत. Parrikar had stopped him. Whatever the faults of Parrikar may be, he wanted Goa to be secular and peaceful. आनी त्या कारणाक लागून ताणें ताका हाडयलो. हो सरकार ताका हाडयना. तेजेर बॅन घालेलें तें लिफ्ट केलें. And he has been welcomed by CM's poster boy in Goa. Yok week adi, the same poster boy has had a meeting to ask for Marathi. You can say there is a polarization happening in Goa on a religious basis, which was not there in Goa. So with this, our tourism also will die. म्हाका दिसता गव्हर्मेंट पळय आमचो आहा आतां पळय गव्हर्मेंट आहा जस्ट टू हायड द्या इनएफिशियन्सी. आतां पळय कॅश फॉर जॉब्स आनी कसली स्कॅमां कितली स्कॅमां लोक रस्त्यार येत आहा इस्कॉलाचे आतां कितें जस्ट टू हायड दीस दॅट ट्राय टू पोलरायज नाव. आनी आमचे म्हाका म्हायती आहा ते प्रमाणे in 2012 some people Parrikar and all went to our religious leaders and told them see Congress काबार केला मायनिंग केला हे केला काबार केला सपोर्ट BJP. आणि तुमकां जर भिरांत दिसता की दॅट वी आर कमिंग अप वी विल गिव यू कॅथलीक MLA. आनी ते करून कितें मायकल लोबो ग्लॅन तिकलो कार्लोस इन वास्को काब्राल इन दीस तो हे करून ताणें कॅथलीक लिडर्स दिलेले. आतां आमचे आतां कितें जालां दॅट इज टू सेफगार्ड द कॅथलिक्स. आतां कितें जालां आमचे हे कॅथलीक लिडर पळय आमचे आहा इन्स्टेड ऑफ सपोर्टिंग द कॅथलीक कॉजीस आमचे लिडर पळय ते भजनां करता आरती करता. सो देर इज नोबडी टू प्रोटेक्ट द कॅथलिक्स. कॅथलिकाचे इंट्रस्ट करून ते जाप काडिना. आतां मध्य प्रदेश जालें हांवें तें तुका ऑलिंपिकाचें सांगलेलें ऑलिंपिकाचें हांवें बरयलेलें CMाक बरयलेलें तुज्या ऑपोजिशनाक बरयलें कोणें एक जाप काडूंक ना. वेन देर एनी एट्रॉसिटीज कमिटेड एगेन्स्ट द कॅथलिक्स ऑर मायनॉरिटी समबडी शूड स्पीक अप. गोंयांत आमचे कॅथलीक लिडर्स आहा पळय ते म्हणटा आमी हाफ हिंदू हाफ कॅथलीक ओरिजिनल हिंदू आनी कॅथलिकाक हें घेवपाक कोणूच ना. आय थिंक इट इज बॅड फॉर गोवा. गोवा इज ऑलवेज कन्सिडर्ड पीसफूल स्टेट, a secular state, and what the government is trying to do now by polarizing just because the elections are coming, it is going to be bad for Goa. It may be short-term political gains for the politicians whoever are doing this, but as on the long-term basis, it's going to be bad for Goa. It's going to be bad for tourism also. So this is very bad, and there is nobody to protect that secular fabric. I am not saying Catholics. Goa is supposed to be secular, so somebody should come forward and do this. Stop polarizing. The polarization you can see, you go to Sankwal, old Goa, they just they started digging. The fear is what? Wherever these people are digging their minority religious sites, it could be an attempt to try and find something, or plant something there. Temple. So we were telling the people that we have taken the priest in confidence. The priest says, no, we have not taken in confidence. So why are you lying? Why the lies? So that what I'm saying is that stop polarization. Let Goa be peaceful as it was before. Just because your political that you cannot all the mistakes that you have done to cover up, you don't polarize. So you see that Marathi thing is coming up now. Mutalik is coming up. Election lage ata तशें आनी कितें ना कितें जातलें. Fanatics have already started moving. मातशें कितें म्हणून फुडें hordes of people coming and attacking people. So that has to stop.